the important thing for you guys to consider about college, if you go to college, why it's at some point it's advantageous to some other options, because with college, our main goal, or our KPI, our measure of success, whatever you call it, is to make sure you're career ready from day one, right? So that's why we have lots of labs. That's why we have more than 1,500 of industry partners, right? And that's why our programs are designed with the industry leaders to make sure that once you graduate, you will have job offer, like the same case I just told you. So we have right now more than 80 programs that are PGBP aligned, meaning that they're really aligned with the labor shortages in Canada, right? And aerospace is one of them, right? But if you're interested in something else, for sure, we have an amazing program in healthcare, right? From practical nursing, PSW, pharmacy technician, massage therapy, also in community care, such as social service worker, community development work, developmental worker, and so on, so on. So this is another area, healthcare, which is really high demand in Canada. We also have some program in supply chain, for example. Another big area would be STEM, like engineering, right? More about like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, biotechnology, biomedical engineering. So this is also a big part of the programs that we have. There's a very high percentage of employability. So I would say, if you look in something that will build your practical skills, will help you to build your career in very short period of time, at the same time really aligned with the job markets that are here in Canada, you should be looking at healthcare, transportation, STEM, and trades as well. So
a lot of students from Bangladesh, they want to study abroad. One of the things that is a deterrent is the cost of studying. Reason why students can consider Centennial College.
Right, you start your first careers, you work, and all of this. And then, if you would like to continue your education, we have more than 1,000 pathways if you want to go to university after that. So you don't lose anything. You just gain more experience, you just gain more expertise, and then look at you in 5 or 7 years. You will have a couple of credentials. You will have 3-4 years of experience. Which will make you much more employable, much more skillable than you are if you will go just other way. Just think about it, and also, as you said, it's more affordable. And as for me, especially for international students, it makes sense. Go study for year at college, then you work, and then you have this experience. And if you would like to stay whatever, right, then you could do it, like using all the options we can offer you. And then if you'd like to have a degree after that, you could definitely do that. Again, we have lots of pathways, and keep in mind, if in some case you'll become a domestic student, like a resident, then the fees are much lower, right? So it's also a smart way to think about it, and that's we kind of encourage you to think, okay, why I should choose this over that? So going back again, we will offer a lot of things that will benefit you when you're here, and we will be so happy to see you here. And please, connect with MACES for great support, and we're very reputable partner and valuable one, and we will really helpful. So we all think that you will have amazing support from the team.
Next semester we want you to apply for is of course September, but if you want to join the September term, then the time to apply is now, because the courses are filling up very quickly. In order to apply, come to any of our MACES office. We have offices in Gulshan, Dhanmondi, in Dhaka, in Sylhet, in Chittagong, and also you can reach out by email. It's mail@macesbd.com. You can give us a call at 017-5566-0012. And you can find us online on Facebook. Find out what our students say about us. And you'll get some idea about what we have to offer. I hope to see you soon.